We celebrate 15th January as Martin Luther King Jr. Day in United States of America. This time it was different. Two of Martin Luther King Jr.'s children and the pastor of his historic Atlanta church marked the holiday with sharp denunciations of President Donald Trump, focusing on disparaging remarks he is said to have made about African countries and immigrants. Angry protesters and Trump supporters yelled at each other from opposite sides of a street near the president's Florida resort. First question: why do we celebrate Martin Luther King Jr. Day? Second question: what were the remarks President Donald Trump made about the African countries? Let's discuss these two questions in the classroom today.